While we are running, our muscles are in a constant state of contraction. The thin filament and the thick filament will slide past each other, which results in shorter sarcomere and shorter muscles during contraction. However, the thick filament, or we call as myosin, does not change in length. Myosin heads can bind to myosin binding site on the actin molecules to form cross bridges. The ATPase enzyme of myosin's head can break down ATP and releasing energy. On the other hand, thin filament composed of three major proteins, which are troponin complex, actin and tropomyosin. Each actin has a myosin binding site that binds to the myosin head. During muscle contraction,